In this example, I have cosecant x minus 1 divided by cosecant x plus 1 equals to 1 minus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x. So, as you see here, cosecant is the inverse of sine. I just convert it to sine here. So then next step I'm gonna do common denominator is gonna be sine x. 1 minus 1 is gonna be sine over sine, right? It's gonna be 1 minus sine x divided by sine x. Here we're gonna have the same thing. Sine x is the common denominator. It's gonna be 1 plus sine x. These two cancel out. It's gonna be 1 minus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x. So as you see here, that's proven here. We just needed to convert it to the inverse of sine. Common denominator, these two cancel out, and the answer will be 1 minus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x.